Imagine a world where disease treatment is no longer a game of chance, but a precise, targeted mission. A world where tiny superheroes are dispatched into our bodies to combat disease at a cellular level. This isn't a sci-fi movie or a comic book fantasy. This is the reality of modern medicine thanks to the advent of nanobots. Nanobots, smaller than even a single cell, are programmable machines that can be commanded to perform specific tasks within our bodies. Picture them as microscopic robots with an important mission: to fight diseases from the inside out. Consider the treatment of a disease like cancer. Cancer cells have a notorious reputation for growing uncontrollably and spreading throughout the body. Traditional treatments such as chemotherapy often come with the downside of harming healthy cells along with the cancerous ones. This is where nanobots can truly shine. These minuscule warriors can navigate through the bloodstream, locate the cancerous tissue, and release their payload of medication right where it's needed most. This targeted approach not only reduces the side effects often associated with chemotherapy, but also enhances the effectiveness of the treatment. But the prowess of nanobots doesn't stop at cancer treatment. They can also be employed to monitor and manage conditions like diabetes by keeping tabs on blood sugar levels and releasing insulin as necessary. They can even repair damaged tissues in cases of heart disease or spinal cord injuries. In essence, nanobots are revolutionizing the landscape of medicine. Their ability to offer precise, targeted treatment for a broad spectrum of diseases is transforming healthcare as we know it. The side effects associated with traditional treatment methods are being minimized, and patient outcomes are significantly improving. These tiny marvels of technology are indeed the superheroes of modern medicine, making the future of healthcare look brighter than ever. So when you think about the future of disease treatment, remember the nanobots, the microscopic superheroes working tirelessly to keep us healthy.